So it's my last day in Kano. My flight is by 9 p.m. I totally enjoyed my stay in Kano and I made some videos. If you have not seen those videos, I'll leave the links in the description box below. You know, I promised I was going to show you what Kano looks like, yeah? Kano is really beautiful at night. I'm going to try to see if I can vlog during the day. Yeah, before we set out, we need to boost our immune systems. And this is me taking vitamin C to boost my immune system. In this video, I'm going to show you the beautiful parts of Kano. I'm going to show you the roads and the transport systems available. And then I dressed up to go see the rice mill and all of that. Why I'm covered up this way is because I don't know. I don't know about the Sharia law. So I'm all covered up and everything. Anyways, Kano is quite cold in the morning. It's cold. But at about 12 p.m., it was extremely hot. Like, I just had to stay in the car. I couldn't go out anymore. Then, in this video, I'm also going to show you a restaurant I visited, a very beautiful restaurant. I liked the food. Please keep watching. I am amazed at the fact that the tricycle color is the same with that of Lagos State, which brings me to say that Kano is the Lagos of the North. Kano State is not as busy as Lagos, or I mean the capital anyway, because I didn't go to the entire Kano. It's not as busy as Lagos State. There are bridges everywhere, so there's no traffic. The bridge serves as a way of easing traffic, and the roundabouts are everywhere. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. I mean, this is a Tuesday morning. Imagine what a Tuesday morning looks like in Lagos. So this place is 40 years old, yeah? I hope you can hear me. It's 40 years old. Yeah, I'm back to the hotel to prepare for my 9 p.m. flight. But guess what? The flight was rescheduled to 12:10 a.m. I mean, how am I supposed to travel by 12:10? What? And get to Lagos at 2 a.m. or thereabouts? We move. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, share, like, comment, subscribe, and find other links to other Kano videos in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye. See you in Lagos.